All right, for this problem we have a function f of x, which is defined to be the square root of cotangent 3x plus 5. And we're asked to find the derivative of this function, and we're told that we do not have to simplify, which is nice. So in order to evaluate this without having to simplify, what I'm going to use is the chain rule here, and you'll notice that there's some trig thrown in here, so we'll worry about that when we get there. And so I'm going to look for f prime of x. Now, to help me, I either know or perhaps I even want to write this, and that's what I'll do here, is this is really cotangent of this quantity, 3x, and it might help to put parentheses there, plus 5. And now this is the square root of this thing, which is really the power 1/2. Because we know the power rule will allow me to evaluate that. In fact, that's sort of the overriding function. That's the thing that sort of is the major piece of this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start when I find the derivative by using the power rule. I'm going to take the 1/2 and drop it to the front. I'm going to rewrite everything on the inside. Just leave it alone for the moment. And now my new power is the old power minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. So I brought the power down, rewrote the inside, subtracted 1 from the power, and now by chain rule I need the derivative of the inside of what we call the u. And so the derivative of the inside, so it's going to be multiplied here. Well, there's two stages here. I have the cotangent 3x and I have a 5. So let's do this piece first. Well, what's the derivative of cotangent x? Not 3x, but just plain old x. Well, the derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x. So here, what's the derivative of cotangent 3x? Well, that's going to be negative cosecant squared 3x. But now, again, there's a bit of chain rule because I have to take the derivative of that inside. The derivative of 3x is 3. Now I have to also have the derivative of 5. Well, that's 0. I'm just going to pull, you don't need the plus 0 there, but I'll write plus 0 just so you can see sort of where everything is coming from. And so this was actually a two-link chain rule because first I had the power rule, and then when I got to the inside, I had to take the derivative of that in that second interior piece, that 3x. And so my overall derivative is going to be 1/2 cotangent quantity 3x plus 5 to the negative 1/2, that whole thing, times negative cosecant squared of 3x times 3, and then plus 0. But again, you don't have to write the plus 0.